Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, Mooke and I go to the essence of Saigon Vietnamese Bistro right here in Calgary, Alberta. And for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I make a Saturn and I have a nice Italian Antipasto plate. Also, see Mooke battle a Hornet out at the lake. So come join me and my little Chihuahua Mooke for a drink at my bar. We've saved you a seat. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mooke. Today we got a nice Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to do a nice Italian Antipasto plate. But first, Mooke and I are going to go out and get some takeout, and then we're going to bring it back to the bar. So Mooke and I are just going to head out right now, get some Vietnamese and take it back, and then we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha and welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I prepared a nice little antipasto, Italian antipasto plate. So I got some pepperoncinis. I got some giardiniera, which I made in my Chicago episode. So if you want to know how to make giardiniera, just a quick pickle, check out my Chicago episode. I got some fresh sliced yellow and red cherry tomatoes from the garden. I have some dry salami. I have some hot Genoa salami. I got some nice ripe cantaloupe, some Kalamata olives, some fresh Parmesan cheese, some Sicilian green olives, and I got some Swiss cheese just cut up. So that's my antipasto plate for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Now we need a drink to go with it, so I'm going to make a Saturn. Got my cocktail shaker. Add ice. So it says 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon. So I'm just going to give it a good squeeze of fresh lemon. Some passion fruit syrup. I got a murder hornet. And in goes the passion fruit syrup. That was a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. And a 1/4 ounce of orgeat. It's just a simple syrup with roasted almonds. That murder hornet is back. I think the murder hornet likes the passion fruit syrup. Where was I? Get out of here, murder hornet. 1/4 ounce of falernum. I make my own falernum. Check out my game day part 2 episode. I make my own falernum. There's like 18 ingredients here, so murder hornet likes that as well. And then 1 1/4 ounce of London dry gin. That's very specific. All right, give it a shake. And I have a nice garnish lime wedge with maraschino cherry. That's my Saturn. That's a murder Hornet. And this is my Italian antipasto plate to go with my Saturn for Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, so Mooke has joined me for appetizers. We've coordinated our outfits, and we're having a Saturn and a nice antipasto plate. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. If you liked the episode, give us a like. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is Mooke, and I'm Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.